Hey all, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be pairing a replacement remote control car ride on remote. So this car didn't actually come with, well, this plane, sorry, didn't come with a remote, so we're just going to pair this up. First things first is unscrew the back cover just here and put in 2 batteries. This one takes 2 AAA batteries. Now to pair, make sure your car or plane or boat or anything is turned off and hold down the frequency key. Now on this remote, it's this top button just here. So light will go solid, then it will start to flash. There we go, now it's flashing, hoping the camera's picking up. Then we turn the car on. The car's turned on and the light should go solidly lit, which it has done, and it should now be paired. Yes. There we go, left, right, forwards, backwards. So there we go. All right, that simple really. Okay, cheers, bye.